This drone can break a window to fly inside a building in hazardous conditions, navigate and create a 3D map of the environment without use of GPS, and establish two-way communications with survivors of a natural disaster or attackers in the case of a hostage crisis. If it falls on the ground upside down, it can turtle, flip upright and launch itself up in the air. A Seattle startup is aiming to provide drones for first responders. The company has already deployed its Lemur 2 model drone with several law enforcement agencies in the US.
Long term, we're really interested in this idea of making the police helicopter obsolete and using drones to respond to all 911 calls in seconds. So use drones to deliver Narcan, AEDs, EpiPens, give firefighters a live thermal imaging view of a structure fire before they even arrive on scene, like tell police if what that person is holding is a lighter or a gun before they show up.
Development, prototyping and manufacturing of the drones all take place in the same building in Seattle. The company doesn't have the luxury of procuring cheap components from other countries.
The entire global supply chain for drone components is really based out of a single city, which is Shenzhen, China. We're NDA compliant, which means that we don't utilize any electronics, any silicon from China, Russia, Iran, other countries on an entity list. We've had to sort of build a domestic supply chain for all of the componentry inside of this bird.
Bring's drones started as indoor devices, but the company enhanced their outdoor capabilities after the drones were used for reconnaissance and rescue missions in Ukraine and after the 2023 earthquake in Turkey. Natasha Mozgovaya, VOA News, Seattle, Washington.